Hello guys, Shirky Slayer here, and today we're gonna look the gacha revenue made by Century Tower at May 2024. Let's see the gacha revenue of the games. We're gonna start from the bottom. Oh, Love Live, SAS2 Miracle Live is already dead at revenue. Arslan 10,000. Higan 34,900. 50,000. 50,000 Arteriger. Danmachi Battle Chronicles fall down. I heard that Danmachi Battle Chronicle also earned a million, but now 160,000. Counter Side, oh no, 180,000. Magia Record at Japan is 20,000. Neural Cloud in 355,000 at Game Stars. Okay. Oh, Devil May Cry 414,000. Echo Calypse 500,000. Idol Pride 590,000. Frontline 2. Oh no, they gain less revenue. One Piece 3-pointer. Oh, they fall down into 2,750,000 to 550,000. Oh my, that's huge. That's huge. Oh, Guardian Tales fall down. Oh no, Guardian Tales is a nice game. Eversoul it gain 635,000. Final Fantasy Brave Exvius. Also Turf God 900,000. What is this? Octopath Traveler? It also gain money. Oh, another one. Atelier. Okay, it fall down again to 2 million to 880,000. I don't know what happened. Grand Summoners 750,000 to 1 million. Rondos 2. I heard that this game is good, but I'm gonna no shit, break my case. I don't know it. She's Turf Fantasy. Oh, Turf Fantasy, or we call it a Genshin Killer, and it fall down. A renowned Genshin Killer before, but now it's and gain $1,030,000, but still not high compared to other games. Nimbus Company. Oh, Black Ball. Oh, it fall down. This game is just for the hype. Black Clover is the same at One Punch Man, also downfall, and One Punch Man is nearly dead. It's already declining. What is Black Clover Mobile? Later Gazer, Pokemon Master X, downfall. Bang Dream, Girls Band Party, Final Fantasy 7 Ever Crisis, Outer Plane. Damn! 160,000 to 1,900,000. What happened? Outer Plane. What is this? And the blink of an eye and snap with the hand, it gained a millions. Is this anniversary? I don't know. Night of Beda, decline. Dislight. Okay. Vanishing Grey Raven. The other Kuro games. Okay. Path to Nowhere. Final Fantasy. Okay. Princess Connect. Redive now. Honkan Impact Third. Still making some money. It's good though. Personal Vibe. Okay. It's damn, the revenue 12 million to 3 million. AFK Arena as little Memento Mori, it doesn't change. Epic my other favorite turn-based game. Also decrease utilization. Oh wow, this game. Battle Cuts. Oh, I'm curious with this game. I don't know. I don't know why this game is gacha. I don't. 99. I don't know this game. Server do the scenes. Snowbreak. I heard that Snowbreak has a development or the devs do something good. I think it gained so much revenue because of that. Hatsune, okay, Hatsune, Assemble Stars. Oh, Bounty Rush, Azure Lane, Blue Archive, One Piece, Uma Musume Prestige Derby, 10 million. Oh, Gakuin Adulma, oh, 10 million. Summoner's War, oh, okay. Summoner's War. Oh, Dokkan Battle also decrease. Reverse 1999, also doing good. Epic Journey, decrease over global server. Puzzle and Dragons, I don't know the game. And Dragon Ball Legends Double Dab revenue. Master Strike. Oh, love it. I love this game. But the revenue is down. I don't know. Return order. Oh, it's also down. Nikkei. Quite steady. Oh, and Wuthering Waves, the newly game that anticipated and hype for all. 24,800,000. Now, Wuthering Waves is just a new game and a 1 week, let's say 1 week game, and it's doing good. And Wuthering Waves is also a game that has so many problems, bugs, glitches, etc. But it also earns so much money, despite the rough launch. And Yinlin banner is coming, so this is getting interesting because I heard that Lorraine and Firefly at Genshin and HSR is coming to this month. So let's see and watch this game. Love in Deep Space. Oh, I don't know this game. Cellular leveling Arise will also gain some money. $30,000. And also a new game, Art Knights. Art Knights is oh my, because of anniversary, I think because of anniversary, Art Knights is because of anniversary, I think. Naruto Mobile is also gain money at China. And Genshin Impact also declined 120 million to 53 million is I think Genshin Impact because of a rerun banner, which is Scaramouche, I think. So 53 million is because of that banner. And Honkai Star Rail still doing good, and it is only a mobile and doing good, 87 million. Now for the top 10, first place Honkai Star Rail, let's say top 5. First place Honkai Star Rail, Genshin Impact, Naruto Mobile, Art Knights, and Solo Leveling. For top 10 or top 6, Love in Deep Space, Wuthering Waves, Nikkei, Return Order, and Monster Strike. Oh, Genshin Impact half the revenue. Damn. Wuthering Waves doing good. Well, yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe with my channel, and don't forget to follow my Twitch via Twitch TV at SheerQueenSlayer. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye.